Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your AI data in the Snapchat app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on settings. We scroll down and here under account actions we find clear my AI data. You can tap on this and then if you tap confirm, the conversations that we had with our AI assistant will be deleted. And yeah, you can just tap on confirm to continue or cancel if you aren't sure about this action. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this function. You can just tap on this, then tap on confirm, and that's it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.